Hello everyone. Welcome to another video. Today we will be discussing how to approach Task 3 in the Oxford AQA ESL exam paper 1. In this task, you are required to write either a diary entry, a blog, an article, or an email. Well, before we begin, let me provide you with an example of this task. As previously mentioned, Task 3 is part of the writing paper. You are provided with a prompt and 4 key points that need to be included in your piece of writing. Your response should be between 70 to 90 words and should not exceed that limit. This task is marked out of 60. Well, in Task 3, the type of writing assigned is not consistently the same. While blog entries are the most common, other types like articles and emails have also appeared. However, the examiners emphasize that the layout or the type of writing is not as crucial as addressing the 4 bullet points outlined in the task. What truly matters is effectively communicating the required information. Now, let's delve into some of the expectations that examiners have for this task. It's important that your response addresses all 4 bullet points. Failing to address any of these will result in a loss of marks. Your response should also provide detailed explanations, justifications, and elaborations, especially for the 3rd and 4th bullet. Clarity in communication is crucial. If your sentences are not coherent and cause any confusion in the reader, it will affect your content communication score. Spelling and punctuation are equally important. Maintain correct spelling and use proper punctuation such as capital letters, full stops, and commas. Moving on to the scoring, there are 8 marks available for content and communication and 8 marks for language. Unlike Task 2, there are higher expectations for both content and language in Task 3. This is reflected in the marking scheme, indicating that examiners anticipate more sophisticated vocabulary and well-structured sentences in your response. Let's now revisit the example. In this scenario, they require an article about a special event that occurred at your school. It's crucial to read the prompt carefully and underline the keywords. Make sure that you accurately address what is being asked. The event took place at school, and the audience could be your fellow students or the local community. Always align your response with the bullet points. This is your chance to showcase your ability to craft complex sentences. The 3rd bullet point asks for an explanation of what occurred at the event. Similarly, the 4th bullet point prompts you to express your emotions about the event. This necessitates providing more intricate details. Make use of conjunctions such as because or as to create complex sentence structures. Employ varied punctuation marks like semicolons, question marks, and exclamation marks. Experiment with sentence structures and lengths. Utilize concise sentences or sentences for emphasis, particularly when conveying emotions. Please pause the video and read the example. I will provide my comments after. As you can see, this example is concise, addressing all the bullet points. It covers the event, its location, the Great Hall, the date, Friday, the events that took place, including student performances, and the writer's feelings of pride. Now consider another example. In this task, you are asked to write a blog entry about your plans after completing school or college. Different from the previous task, this one focuses on your future plans. Be mindful of using various tenses, including past, present, and future, as required by the task. Here's a sample response. Please pause the video and read the example. I will provide my comments afterward. In the provided commentary by the examiners, this response is praised for its engagement and personal insight into future plans. Specific details are provided and the emotions conveyed appear authentic. The response displays a structured sequence and addresses the task's bullet points coherently. Sentence variety and accurate punctuation contribute to clarity, while the choice of vocabulary related to the field of music is commendable. The response achieves 8 marks for content and communication, as well as 8 marks for language. In conclusion, comprehending the task's requirements, accurately addressing the key points, and conveying information clearly are vital for success. Strive for sentence variety, appropriate punctuation, and advanced vocabulary to excel in your writing tasks. Thank you so much for joining in, everyone. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. See you soon.